show.
Come on, that's weak. A little more.
We are at a Demolition Derby.
That's a little better.
All right, here are the cars. Getting ready to smash them up. All right, I'll get back to you when they start.
Go and have fun. Big.
All right, here we go. We're getting ready to start.
Compact cars first. We will have the small cars, compact cars first, followed by the big cars. 5 on down.
All right, here we go.
There you go. Are you ready?
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Here we go. Let's count them down. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
Let them go.
Here we go. Woo-hoo! Yeah. Smash him up. Uh-oh, look, this guy's getting started. Maybe he'll get going. Oh, I thought he was going to hit him hard.
up, boys. Hold them up, boys. We got one up and over.
He's out. He's good. Woo! Yeah.
That's what it's all about.
Back out.
All right, he's gonna get back in. He's gonna crash some more. All right, let's look at the damaged up cars. Yeah. All right, I'll get back to you when they start. Yeah, he's back up and running too.
No quit yet. Here he comes.
Alright, back up
All right,
again.
get over there, a little bit of flame out from car number 520, still rocking and rolling. A little bit of smoke coming out on the front end. I don't know if that's zero or you're drunk, but one or the other.
I think he might be your winner, folks. Whoa, what was that? All right, there's your winner.
Little destruction on a big old 5/8 Speedway. I'll tell you what, friends and friendlies, that is the bid-up. No doubt about it. Give him a big hand.
Yeah.
Double 520.
Right. Woo.
Last
Thank you
man
for
standing.
watching the Heasel Variety Show. Like, comment, subscribe.